Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you quickly how to set some preferences when you first start using Act Premium Cloud. When you first start using Act Premium Cloud, by default you are taken to what's called the welcome screen, and I see the word welcome right here, and over here on the left hand side it says welcome right there. But typically what I want to see when I start up Act is I want to see the contact details screen. And I'm going to click here on contacts, and it's going to take me right into what's called the My Record. The My Record is your contact information. Again, this is a demo database, but it's your information inside of Act. And the My Record is something you should fill out all the information. And I won't get into why right now, but you should fill this out. Having said that, this is what I want to see when I open up Act. Therefore, when we first start using Act, the very first few times you get in, there's a couple settings I recommend you fix when you get in here. I recommend go up to Tools, scroll down a little bit, choose Preferences. And the first preference that I recommend is the Startup screen. So I'm going to click on Startup right here. And what you can do is you can change this from Welcome, where it's sort of the default, to Contact Detail. So instead of seeing this screen, you'll go right to your record in Act. That's the first thing. So set it to Contact Detail and click OK. And that's just a personal preference, but that's what I think if you've been a long-time Act user, that's what you're used to seeing when you start up Act. The second thing you should do is the date and time area. So I'm going to click on date and time. And the key point here is you want to make sure you have the proper time zone set for where you're located. So in this case, I'm in the Eastern time zone, but choose the time zone that works for you. Click OK, and you're good to go. And those are the two fundamental settings that I recommend you start with to make sure you have a good experience when you're logging into Act Premium Cloud. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Be well. Bye now.